This one here has a nice warmy brown, pinky salmon, and then like a lighter tone brown and a sparkle shade. And this is the look I made trying to use all colors in the palette. Primarily the dark ones, I've got very hooded eyes, so a lot of the dark I brought up to the brow. And then the lighter beige color on the inside and halfway through, a little bit of the pink and then a dab of the sparkle. And for reference, I am 57 years old. I've also got some mascara from Estée Lauder, a liner from Sephora, and I believe it's an IT Cosmetics brow going on here. Rom&nd Better Than Eyes comes packaged like this from me here in Japan, although it is in Korean on the back. You can put in your own expiry date somewhere on the palette. Now, even if I were younger, I don't think I'd use that sparkle shade so much because it does flake all over the place and it's too youthful. I like shimmers, but not like little sparkly things. So this one is a very rare event for me. But these shades, oh my gosh, very pigmented, buttery soft. When you put them on the brush, I recommend you tap because it will go everywhere if you're not careful, just a little bit at a time and build up the color. They're very nice to wear, long lasting, especially if you have your primer underneath. The only minus point for me is the packaging. There's no mirror here, which is essential for someone as nearsighted as I am. And that's why I can't show you guys me putting on the makeup because I can't see anything, you know? And it's also a bit chintzy. This is already cracked, just dropped it on the table. It didn't take much to do that. It's not like your Pat McGrath palette here, which is just luxurious. It doesn't need to be that fancy. But this just proves that you do not need to spend a huge amount of money to get quality makeup, but you are going to have to sacrifice, I think, on the packaging. What I might do in the future with these, when this gets really annoying, is to depot them and put them in a magnetic palette with a mirror in it. But yeah, a Rom&nd. Overall, recommend.